Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say welcome to you, and to my old ones, I say God bless you. Keep sharing, keep watching the videos. All right, so today on the menu we're making Agbeli Kaklo. Okay, so for those of you from Ghana, you know what agbelikaklo is. If you're not, it's just a treat or snack that is made with cassava, yuca, right? So you just peel, grate it, add some onions and salt, fry it, enjoy it with coconut. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So come along to the kitchen and we're going to cook together. All right, friends, our cassava all peeled. We're just going to go ahead and wash it. So friends, at this point, go ahead and start grating your cassava. I have this little thing that I got from home. It's super effective. Now, if you don't have a grater or cannot grate with the small ones, you can blend your cassava and then strain it with a cheesecloth. Okay, but I want to go the original way, so I'm gonna grate it. So friends, we're going to use a cheesecloth to drain the water from the cassava mixture.